Gang Racket just received a new update in patch notes 590. This update introduces Racket Chests and the Racket Store, both linked to the original Gang Racket event. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today, we're diving into the new version of Gang Racket. Gang Racket. Overall, the Gang Racket event keeps the same missions and reward system but adds several new features. As usual, you select a mission, complete it, and earn solo event points. You get 5 attempts daily. If you need more, you can buy extra attempts with emeralds. Your solo points will contribute to the gang's points. By reaching the target points, you will unlock the gang and solo rewards. If you want additional rewards, you can purchase the Racket Pass for $10. This unlocks the solo plus rewards. Besides, there are also 5 gang tiers: bronze, silver, gold, diamond, and blood skull. Your gang's tier is shown here, and we are currently at the highest tier, blood skull. A higher tier gives you better odds of receiving high-level missions. For example, the throwing knife mission, which awards 1,200 solo points. Chests. Racket Chest is a new feature of Gang's Racket. There are 3 chest qualities: common, rare, and premium. You receive chests when you reach certain solo point milestones or when your My Chests bar fills up. But keep in mind that these chests don't give rewards immediately. You must unlock them with a chest key that matches the chest quality. A premium chest needs a premium key. A rare chest requires a rare key, and so on. Here's the interesting part: you can open other members' chests, not just your own. So, you might wonder, does that mean someone can steal your hard-earned chest? Yes, but they're more than welcome. It is because both the chest owner and the opener receive rewards. When you open another member's premium chest, you will receive an opener reward, such as throwing knives or gang mobilization letters. The chest owner also gets a chest earner reward, such as Echo Conch or Core of Aqua Spirit. So, the more chests you have that are opened by your members, the more rewards you earn. Far more solo points, aim for high-level missions, and try to get the 1,200-point missions whenever possible. If needed, use emeralds to buy more attempts. More attempts mean more solo points, more chests, and more rewards overall. Did you know a bundle costs a lot more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right. That's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting your friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who bought a $100 in-game bundle with Lootify. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Chest keys. We can now get free chest keys from the Gang's Racket rewards. Premium keys are the most valuable. From free gang and solo rewards, you can get up to 2 premium keys. If you purchase the Racket Pass, you receive 4 additional premium keys. You can also purchase key packs to open even more premium chests. Opening a chest also gives you opening points. These points place you on a ranking leaderboard, and the top 100 players receive special ranking rewards. Racket Store. The Racket Store is the heart of the entire event. The goal of opening chests is to collect gang mobilization letters. These letters are used to exchange for high-value items in the Racket Store. Surprisingly, you can now exchange for precious flagship skins, fleet skins, and trails in this store. They cost a lot of letters, but they're finally obtainable without spending money. You can also exchange them for items such as throwing knives, stones of protection, and more. So don't miss your chance to claim as many rewards as possible from the Gang's Racket. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.